So good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we finished with the types of matrices. Yes, done. Types of matrices done, guys. So today we'll start with the algebra of matrices. Algebra of matrices. What is the meaning of algebra of the matrices? When you talk about the algebra of the matrices, algebra means basically we deal with the plus, the addition, the subtraction, and the multiplication. Okay, so we have to perform these three things in the algebra of the matrices, like the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. आप डिवीजन यहाँ पे नहीं करोगे, सिर्फ हमें एडिशन करना है, सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है, and multiplication करना है. Okay, the first thing we'll talk about what will be the addition, or you can say that subtraction of two matrices. Okay, so let's assume that consider matrix A and the B. Consider two matrix A and B. Okay, then addition, just a second, guys. Then addition or subtraction between A and B, matrix A and B, will possible I double F. What is the meaning of I double F? I double F means if and only if order of matrix A should be equal to the order of matrix B. Okay, then we can say that the addition of two matrices or subtraction of two matrices is possible. Means the most important thing that we have to remember. Listen, you will get the one question from this point. Okay, like find the value of some m or n when the order will be given. So if you have two matrices A and B, and if you are doing the addition of that two matrices, okay, it is a possible only and, or we can say that if and only if the order of the matrices A and should be equal to order of the matrices B. Okay, जब ये condition valid होगा, दोनों का order same रहेगा, then we can do the addition or we can do the subtraction. Okay, now this is the first point. Okay, if and only. The second point, there corresponding, there you can say that same order of elements get added or subtracted It means that the same order is very important. So if you are doing the addition or subtraction, that their same order means A का जो element का order होगा और B का जो order का element होगा, यदि दोनों same होगा, then we can say that addition will be take place. Other than we cannot add. Okay, तो हम यहाँ पे एक example लेकर के देखते हैं. Let's assume that we have matrices A, that is basically A11, A12, A13. Okay, A21, A22, A23, A23, then A31, A32, okay, A33. Now, after that, let's assume that we have the B matrices, okay, the B matrices, that will be basically, we have suppose the B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, Okay, B31, B32, and B33. And if you want to find out the addition of these two matrices, if you want to find out the addition of these two matrices, like if you have to find out A plus B, okay. So first I'll take the A matrices here, that is A11, okay, then A12, then A13, okay, then A21, A22, A23, okay, then A31, A32, A33, A33 plus B11, B12, B13, okay, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, and B33. Suppose we have the two matrices and we have to find out the A plus B. So when you want to find out A plus B, then A plus B or addition of these two matrices will be the equal to. Okay. Now this is the what the element of the A matrices of order 1 1, and this is the what element of the B matrices of the order 1 1. Means now if I have to find out the A plus B, then I will add these two element first. Okay, then I will these two element, because addition or subtraction will be possible only and only if their order of the matrices, first order of the matrices of A should be equal to order of matrices B. The second thing, okay, जो elements को add करेंगे उसके order भी same होने चाहिए, मतलब उनके position भी same होने चाहिए, then we can add. अदर यदि ऐसा नहीं होगा तो हम लोग उसको add नहीं कर सकते. So the final answer will be basically we will get A11 plus A11 plus B11, okay, then A12 plus B12, okay, then A13 plus B13, okay, then after that A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, okay, after that A23 plus B23, okay, then we can say that the next part as I don't have a space here, just a second guys, okay, then I can write on here A31 plus A32, not A32, B31, okay, A32 plus B32, okay, A33 plus B33. So this is the what basically addition of these two matrices, Now suppose in this question only, suppose we have to find out the minus. So this is basically A plus B. Now if I have to find out the minus here, so if you want to find out the minus, you have to put here minus. Okay, then the final answer for this A minus B will be you have to just subtract these two corresponding elements. Okay, जिनके orders क्या रहेंगे same रहेंगे. You have to do like that only. मतलब सिर्फ उसके same order element का भी क्या करना पड़ेगा, subtract करना पड़ेगा. If the question is asking A minus B. Okay, so this is the basically addition or subtraction of the matrices. Clear with this? Okay guys, so you have to solve two example on the basis of the same concept. Suppose first we have, okay, A equal to 1 2 3 4, okay, this is the first example, and here B matrix is given A 0 minus 1 2, okay. Now the second example, what will be the let's take this part here. Second example, like 1 2, A matrices is 1 2 and B matrices is suppose 0 and 1. Now here find out A plus B. Okay, what will be the A plus B? Can anyone let me know what is the A plus B? Yes, for this question. Yes, guys. Can anyone tell me what will the A plus B here? Hello.
1 plus A 2 2 6.
Okay, first we have to put 1 2, then 3 4. Okay, then plus whatever the B matrices we have. B matrices we have here A Okay, 0, -1, 2, and if you solve this, we'll get here 1 plus a, then 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus -1 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is the answer. Now, can we find out the a plus b here? What will the a plus b? A is we have 1, 2, okay, plus b we have 0 and 1. What is the order of this matrix? 2 row 2 column. This is also 2 row 2 column. What about here? 2 row 1 column. What about here? 1 row 2 column. So what will be the addition of this matrix? What is the addition of this matrix, guys?
You can't add this one, right?
Yeah, exactly. We can't add this. Why? Because here order is not same. So we can say that order of A is not equal to order of B. If the order of A is not equal to order of B, so that we can't add here. Addition is not possible here. Okay, even we can't subtract. Okay, neither we can subtract nor we can add here. Now, the addition of the matrices is very simple. The important is the multiplication. If you got the multiplication concept, okay, it means that you finish with the 60% of the matrices part. The important is the multiplication, very very important. Everyone, okay, जिसने कर रखा है multiplication of the matrices, no issue. But जिसने भी matrices का multiplication नहीं किया है, please concentrate here because this is the concept where you have to like 100% आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. और जहां पे आप लोग गलती करोगे, that will be the multiplication of the matrices, not addition or subtraction of the matrices. Now, so we'll start with the third part of the algebraic, you can say that algebra for the matrices, that is multiplication of the matrix. The important concept that you have to remember here, the multiplication of the matrices is the multiplication between, or we can say that is a possible between, means multiplication is possible. So it is possible. It is possible between two matrices. Let's assume that two matrices A and B. If and only if column, or we can say that number of column of matrix A should be equal to number of rows of columns. Number of columns of matrix A should be equal to number of rows of matrix B. When this condition will hold, okay, when this condition will hold, the number of column of matrix A should be equal to number of rows of matrices B, then we can say that multiplication between two matrices is possible. Okay, जब ऐसा नहीं होगा तो आप multiply नहीं कर सकते. Let's assume that consider suppose you have a matrix A of order m cross n. You have a matrix of order m cross n. Okay, now and you have to find out, and you are multiplying with the matrix B. You are finding you are doing the multiplication. This is the order, guys. This is the order. Okay, this is the order, and then we have the matrix B here. Let's assume that, just a second, guys. Consider, suppose we have the matrix A of order m cross n, and we have to find out the multiplication with the matrix B of order n cross p. Now tell me, here multiplication of the matrix is possible or not? Guys, multiplication of matrices is possible at this point or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is possible. Why? Number of the column means this should be equal to this. Okay, there this relation should be equal, or this number should be equal. The number of the column of the first matrices, okay, number of the column of the first matrices should be equal to the number of the rows of the second matrices, and then we can say that, okay, now if I do the reverse here, if I do the reverse, A n cross P, okay, the cross B, okay, M cross N. Now tell me, is it a possible, guys? Here multiplication is possible? Yes or no? Guys,
No.
no. Why? Because here this is not equal. N is equal to M, that's why multiplication is possible, and you will get a matrix called as AB matrix. You will get a matrix called as AB matrix of order. What is the order? So we can cancel these and these. So number of rows, number of column the first matrix, number of the rows of the second matrix, number of rows of the second matrix cancel, and the final, okay, final क्या मिलेगा? Okay, Sri, can you tell me order को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? पहले रो लिखते हैं और कॉलम लिखते हैं? Row. So what is the left in the A? यदि column और यहाँ का column और यहाँ का row cancel हो गया, तो यहाँ का क्या बच रहा है हमारे पास? Row. So I will take the
M into P.
Yeah, exactly. I will take the row from the A matrix, and I will take the column from the B matrix. That is the M cross P, not MP, basically M cross P. And this will be the order of the product matrix or the final matrix. But what about here? Basically, P here is not equal to M. Okay, P is not equal to M. So can we say that multiplication is not possible here? Yes. Multiplication is not possible. So it means that, can we state that AB is not equal to BA? Basically हमने लोगों ने क्या किया, यहाँ पे साइन को थोड़ा सा कर लिया. This is the B ना, and this is A. Yeah, this is the B, this is A. Yes guys, are you following me? This is the A matrix now. So the BA, this is A. Yeah. So AB is not equal to BA. Can we say that the multiplication of the matrix does not follow commutative property? Yeah. So multiplication of we can say that matrices does not follow commutative property. Commutative property. Are you getting all this? Yes or no, guys? ये समझ में आया क्या है? Does not follow commutative property. ये clear होना चाहिए आपको. Commutative means what? AB is equal to BA. That is called as a commutative property. Okay, so it does not follow commutative property, but this is a theory. But how can we solve the question? The question is, let's assume that, okay, now we'll do some numerical. So we'll do some example. Let's assume that we have the matrices A, that is basically 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have the matrices A 1, 2, 3. What is the order of the matrices A here, guys? What is the order of the matrices?
3 into 1.
3 into 1. 3 into 1. Okay, now suppose we have the matrices B, okay, 0 and 5. 0 and 5. What is the order of these matrices? So 1 row,
1 into 2.
2. Now you tell me, guys, if I have to find out the AB, if I want to find out the AB, what will the order of AB? A1 or A1 cancel हो जाएगा. What will the order of AB, guys? कितना होगा order of AB?
3 into 2.
3 into 2. It means that 3 rows and 2 column होगा. Yes. 3 rows and 2 column. So if I have to find out AB, I will put first the element of A, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I'll put the element of B, that is 0 and 0 and 5. Clear? The order of this matrix is what? We know this order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. This is 1 cross 3, 1 cross 3. So finally ये दोनों क्या होगा? Cancel हो जाएगा. So 1 cross 2 नहीं, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 2. So finally we'll get what? क्या मिलेगा आपको बताओ? क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर? और the product has 3 cross 2. Product has what? 3 rows and 2 column. Rows from first and column from second. 3 cross 2 का element कैसे लिखा जाएगा? बोलो. A 1 1, A 1 2, A 2 1, A 2 2, A 3 1, A 3 2. Are you clear with this? Now,
Yes.
now tell me guys here, we have to find out the A11. A11 is what? The first row, first column, element of the first row and first column. Yes? Hello?
Yes.
So how can we get the element of the first row, first column? First row means इसका first row लेना है, इसका first column लेना है. इसका first row कितना है? 1 है. इसका first column कितना है? इसका first column कितना है? 0. So you have to multiply these two elements. तो कितना मिल जाएगा? First row, first column. So we'll get 1 into 0. We'll get here 1 into 0. The first row, first column. What about the second? The first row, second column. So this is the first row and this is the second column. So 1 cross 5. Are you following all this? What about the the A21? A21 second row, first column. The second row of the first matrices and the first column of the second matrices. The second row means the 2 cross 0. Yes. And what about here? The second row, second column. Second row is this and second column is this. So 2 cross 5. Okay. Now after that, the 3 1. 3 1 means what? Third row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix. Means 3 cross
Also 0.
And after that, the 3 2. 3 2 means what? Third row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. Okay, it means 3 into 5. Clear with this? Now, if you solve this, you will get the matrices are 0, the 5, 2, 10, okay, 0, 15.
So not 2, it's 0 there also.
Yeah, so yeah, you have to solve. It will be the 0. Clear with this? Yes. Hello. Are you clear with this multiplication?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's try this. Suppose if we have A matrices equal to 1, 0, 2, 3, and B matrices is or B matrix equal to 1, minus 2. Don't take minus right now. First understand the positive concept, then we'll switch to the negative. 5, 2, 1. Now we have to find out. First, tell me, multiplication is possible or not? This is 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2. Yes. So
Yes.
now, if you have to, if multiplication is possible. So the 1, 0, 2, 3. The order is 2 cross 2. Okay. Then multiply with 1, 5, 2, 1, and here 2 cross 2. This is same. Okay. So what will be the order of AB? AB order will be again 2 by 2. 2 by 2. So tell me the elements of 2 by 2. We'll get the order of the AB is 2 by 2. So what is the element of 2 by 2? A11, A12, A21, A22. Now guys, very important thing that we have to talk about here. It will be a little bit confusing. So इतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करना, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे इस एलिमेंट का ऑर्डर क्या है बताओ. इस एलिमेंट का ऑर्डर क्या है? First row, first column. So this is the first row and this is the first column. How many elements we have here? तो देखो यहाँ पे एक एलिमेंट है, यहाँ पे भी एक एलिमेंट है, यहाँ पे एक एलिमेंट है, यहाँ पे भी एक एलिमेंट है. Now everyone, Sri, can you tell me what is the order of this matrix? Sorry, this element and this element.
A11 and B1.
I am doing this thing here. Okay. So पहला है A11 and here is B11. So can we cancel this? We'll get AB11. Yes. होगा ना? Now you tell me, can I multiply this to this element? Can we do like this? इस element को इनसे multiply कर सकते हैं क्या? What is the order of this element? A11. And what is the order of this element? Okay.
B21.
So can we do the multiplication here? Is it multiplication is possible here? No.
No.
Multiplication is not possible here. So what we have to do then? Okay, then don't multiply with this to this. But if you talk about this part and this part, then talk about this part. Talk about this part and this part. What is the order of this matrix? Sorry, this element?
1 2.
A 1 2. And what about the order of this element, guys? Order of this element?
2 1.
B 2 1. Yeah, na? Order of this element is B to 1. Hello.
Yes.
Now, can we do the multiplication now?
Yes.
So what will get again? Again, we'll get AB11. Means if you want to find out the AB11 or this element, so you have to, you will get the two AB11, like the one from here and one from here, and you have to add these two. Clear with this? Then you will get the final answer. So whenever you have to multiply the first row, first column, okay, then check how many elements are there. How many elements are there? Okay, so how many elements we have here? We have two elements here and we have two elements here. Okay, the first row, first column. It means that we have to multiply this into this and this into this. अभी तो किए थे ना, A11 B11 प्लस A12 B21, ये भी आपको मिलेगा A, यहां से क्या मिलेगा बताओ, AB11, और यहां से कितना मिलेगा आपको, 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यू विल गेट अगेन AB11. सो सपोज तीसरा रहता तो भी क्या होता, मान के चलो ऐसा रहता A13 and we have the B1 B31, तो अगेन दिस कैंसिल, अगेन विल गेट AB11. So it is a possible that कि आपको बहुत बार ऐड करना पड़ेगा, बट रिमेंबर दैट एक ही एलिमेंट से हम दो डिफरेंट मैट्रिक्स के एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई कभी नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर विद दिस? एक ही एलिमेंट से हम कभी भी दो डिफरेंट मैट्रिसेस के एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. इतना याद रखिएगा कि एक एलिमेंट पहले का लेंगे और दो एलिमेंट हम उधर से ले लेंगे. नॉट गो लाइक दिस. सो व्हाट विल द आंसर देन? Can anyone tell me what will the answer then? Guys, I'm audible to everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Icon is not so. Yeah. No. So 1 into 1, first row, first column. So first row, first column. So 1 into 1. Done. अब first row का element बाकी है, तो plus. तो first row, first column. तो 0 into 2. Okay, 0 into 2. Clear? This is the first row, first column. Now, what about the position of this element? First row, second column. This is the first row, second column. It means that first row का element यहाँ पे ना, तो 1 into 5, तो 1 into 5, और भी बाकी है first row में element, तो फिर इनको हम इनसे multiply करेंगे, plus 0 into 1. Clear? Now after that, second row, what is the element of this? Is second row, first column. The second row, first column. It means that the 2 cross 1. Okay, और भी एलिमेंट बाकी है, तो ये दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, प्लस 3 क्रॉस 2. द सेकंड रो, द सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. नाउ आफ्टर दैट सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम. गाइस, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम, टेल मी कैसे निकालेंगे? तो दिस इनटू दिस, द सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम, द 2 into 5 प्लस, अभी और भी एलिमेंट है सेकंड रो में, यस, ये दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 3 क्रॉस 1. Now, if you solve this, we'll get the final answer as कितना हो जाएगा? 1 cross 1, 1 plus 0, 1 cross, ये कितना हो जाएगा? Basically 0 हो जाएगा ना, तो कितना हो जाएगा? First we'll get 1, then 1 plus 5 is 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 cross 1, 2 plus 3 cross 2, 6, so 6 plus 2, 8, 10 plus 3, guys, 13, and this is the final answer for that product A. Clear with this? Yes.
Yes.
Everyone follow all this part like क्या चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, don't worry, you will get so many questions for this. तो आपको वो सब questions करने हैं. Okay, so first you have to do all the question, then जो भी doubts रहेगा वो मैं बताऊंगा आपको. So don't worry about it. First understand the concept behind that. कि हम क्यों ले रहे हैं, क्यों addition कर रहे हैं. एक ही एलिमेंट लिखना है, उसमें हम क्यों एडिशन कर रहे हैं. मैंने प्रूफ भी करके बताया कि इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप एक एलिमेंट को एक से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया आपको A11 मिल जाएगा. देयर आर सेवरल वे टू गेट A11. अंडरस्टूड ना? नाउ टेक द थर्ड एग्जांपल हियर. लेट्स अज्यूम दैट A matrix is equal to the 1 2 1 0 2 3 1 1 2. Okay, 3, and the B matrix is equal to, this is 3 cross 3. B matrix is equal to the like 0 2 2 1 2 1 1 1 1. Yes. Now we have to find out the A cross B or AB. So is it possible or yes or no, Sri? Tell me. Possible है या नहीं है? 0 2 3 1 1 1 or not 1 1 1 1 2. Sri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is it possible? Multiplication is possible here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be the final product? कितना order होगा? AB का order कितना होगा? What will be the order of
3
AB?
times 3.
3 times 3 means order of the AB should be 3 cross 3. It means that the element will be the A11. Sir, you are writing the element of matrices A as a A11, B as a B11. तो AB को AB11 लिख सकते हैं? लिख सकते हैं. But अभी इसमें तो नंबर दे रखा है ना, तो we can choose any terms, किसी भी terms एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं किसी भी matrices को. C को भी आप A11 से लिख सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है. So A11, A12, A13, then B21, B22, B23, then B31, B32, B33. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, क्या होगा बताओ? The first row, first column, first row, first column. क्या होगा फिर? First row, first column. Can anyone help me for this? जल्दी बताओ. Guys, 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
1 into 0.
यार ओके बोलो फिर 1 into 0 प्लस और भी
2
एलिमेंट है
into 1
2 into 1 2 into 1 2 और 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर
plus
दिया
1 into 1.
1 into 1 गुड ओके चलो आपको समझ में आ गया. दूसरा व्हाट अबाउट दिस? द फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. इट मींस दैट 1 into 2 1 into 2 first row second column, then 2 into 2 2 into 2, then 1 into plus 1 into 1. Okay, then after that the first row third column. It means that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus guys 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 1 into 1. Okay, now what about this second row first column? So second row first column, so first we'll get 0 into 0 और भी एलिमेंट है तो दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे प्लस 2 into 1 प्लस 3 into 1. सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम. तो कितना हो जाएगा गाइस? 0 into 2 सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, फिर 2 into 2 2 into 2, then 3 into 1, so plus 3 into 1. Okay, the second row third column, the second row third column, then tell me what was the answer here? The 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 3 into 1. Okay, second row second column. What about next? The third row first column. Okay, third row first column कितना हो जाएगा? Third row first column, the 1 cross 0 plus 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 1. What about here? Second row second column कितना हो जाएगा? 1 cross 2. Okay, plus where 1 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1, then second row third column, so 1 cross 2 plus 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 1. Now find out the answer for this. कितना आ जाएगा? 0 2 और 1.
लास्ट वाला 1 into 1 आएगा.
The last no 2 in cross 1 ना, third row third column ना, the 2 cross 1. Yeah, that is fine.
हाँ yes.
Okay, तो पहले कितना आ जाएगा? 2 plus 1, this is a 3, 2 4 6 plus ये कितना हो जाएगा? 7. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 2 2 4 और 1 5. What about here? 2 and 3 5. What about here? 4 3 7. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 2 3 5. What about here? 3. What about here? 2 2 2 6. And what about here? 2 1 3 3 to 5. So this is the final answer for that. Okay.